Hey guys, this is my 1998 Buick Park Ave. It's really nothing special done to it. The body is almost mint. Not many scratches at all, except for that there on the back. But bought it like that. So, pretty good deal, I thought. And with the 98 Park Aves, that 3800 series too. Only two things I actually did to this. It's a GTE Stage 1 little tuner thing, $60. I think it's well worth it. A lot better gas mileage. I feel like there's more power. Second thing that I did was cherry bomb Glasspack. Thought it was a good idea. I like the sound. But you guys take a listen. .3800 Series 2 really makes a nice sound. I love it. But so yeah, that's my car, that's my engine, that's my sound. I really like that Glasspack. Curious to see what other people have done with that engine for exhaust. I've only really seen it done on the Monte Carlos with the Duals and the Flowmasters. Never seen a Glasspack on a 3800 series, but there you go.